We're at the Talon Energy Stadium, waiting for the final game of the Philadelphia Unity Cup, and there's a festival, or rather a fair, and Caribbean community in Philadelphia has set up this very nice table with some foosball and face painting and all sorts of nice posters. Look at this, beautiful. And even soccer players here, a lot of them. And candy. With
what's left of the
all
candy?
kinds of flags. See, there's
international flags.
There's Australia, and there's New Zealand. You see, it's a different flag. And there is Britain, and there is Germany. So that takes care of all sorts of countries. And there's some nice books here. Women's soccer, Pele. Oh, look at this, children's books. They're practicing the national anthem. And here we have Lamya. Hello. And here we have Miranda.
Hi.
And Miranda has just spent the last month volunteering to help victims of Hurricane Dorian, which wiped out neighborhoods in the Bahamas.
Well, what I want to say is not so much volunteering. We facilitated, co-facilitated as Caribbean Community in Philadelphia. All the monies come to Caribbean Community in Philadelphia, all the goods and services and the medical supplies, they come through us. We have people and news people who have contacted us, and we've been sourcing because we discovered that Bahamas did not have an organization in the group in Philadelphia, and the only point person I had was Remy Duncombe, who is a board member. He was a former board member of my organization, and so he was tapped as the spokesperson and the person who was out there getting stuff. But I, through my organization, sourced all the finances through Culture Trust Greater Philadelphia. And we had a very rough month and a half, still going through. People are still sending in checks, and people are still sending in donations. And so we're here today, not just for that. We have a sports component of our organization that we're doing, and one of the things we do is Unity Cup. And so today we're here, Caribbean Community is celebrating our soccer and our football. That's what we call it around the world. And so we're focusing on women in sport and equality. As the U.S. women team won their FIFA World Cup, we're focusing on some of the people like Messi as well as Ronaldo. We also have Pele on this side here. Maradona got stuck in my computer. But Diego Maradona, those are some of the great football players from around the world. And some of the informational here is really about what soccer means to the world. It's a global sport, 4 billion people, as we see here. And we even have people who play games with soccer, like some world leaders, they play porn, they own soccer clubs. And so it's a political strategy for world leaders also. And it's a way to do cross-cultural connection of cultures and to teach diplomacy and conflict resolution and peace. So soccer is very huge around the world, or football, and so we wanted to make sure that we plug into the Unity Cup. This is the 4th year that the mayor has done this great game of soccer, and so we have just 4 of our Caribbean teams, actually 5. They left Belize out. They put Belize with Central America, but we had a couple of people who came up here for Belize, and we told them we got some paraphernalia, we just couldn't put everything on the table. And so Belize. We have Jamaica, Panama, we have Haiti, Puerto Rico, and we also have Belize. And this is the championship game that's going to be played today between first-time contenders USA and Liberia. And so Liberia has won
And then we have
2
some,
successive years.
we have some Liberian flags walking down.
Yeah, just walking down.
And in fact, I think just as you were talking, the Liberian team was behind us.
Okay. Oh, they were listening. Okay. Oh, they're right
They
there.
were listening to it.
Yeah.
Well, there they are there. So we're really...
So we have Dory here also too. So,
There's the Liberian team.
she's doing our soccer balls and putting the
Okay.
spin on soccer balls.
Okay, that's
Yes.
fine. All right,
So we thought
good.
we'd bring her in to help the kids
That's marvelous.
get feel a sense of unity and identifying what soccer means to them.
But there they are. There's the Liberian team. We're just wishing them the best. My gosh, I tell you, they have come out ahead of 54 teams. I'm calculated more than 300 games have been played, and Parks and Recreation is over there. They've been working hard all summer. Okay, well, thank you. This was Miranda Alexander.
Yep, the founder, president, and project director of Caribbean Community in Philadelphia.
Okay,
Thank you for stopping by, Susanna.
And Lamya, the VP of Operations for Caribbean Community in Philadelphia. Thank you.
Okay, this is October 12th, 2019, and behind are more soccer games. I mean, this is amazing. It's just everything is going. And then we've even got the Delaware River. Okay.